Microsoft Word headers and footers. Tutorial 9. Add professional tag to documents. Welcome to tutorial 9 of our Microsoft Word learning series. In this tutorial, we will cover headers and footers, a crucial feature for making your document look professional and organized. Whether you are creating business reports, academic papers, or official documents, using headers and footers correctly can enhance readability and provide important document details. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to insert and customize headers and footers, add page numbers, dates, and document titles, use different headers on different pages, insert logo, watermark, and section breaks. First of all, how to insert here headers and footers. We need, for inserting headers and footers, go to insert tab. In insert tab, we have here the options for click here insert. Here we have in header and footer group. The first one is header. In header, when you click here header, and here we have different options for headers. Blank or blank 3 columns. All of this is headers. We have here edit headers or remove headers. First of all, let's try to insert one header. We are going to select the blank header. In blank header to means there is nothing. And we should type here one header. For example, if you want to page number, you can type here page 1. Or the header should be to like tutorial 9. Close header. Right now we have close header and it is tutorial 9. Let's move to others page. We have only in the first page the header. As well, if you want to insert here for insert, go to insert tab, and here we have footer. The footer as well, it is same. We are going to use header. Header, it is about at the top of page, and footer at the end of your page. For footer, you are going to select, for example, one footer here. It should be the blank as well. The footer here, you can type. It is there about footer. For example, footer. When you type it footer, close the. Here it is a little not visible because the size is not good as well. We are going to back here and the footer blank. In blank here we are going to select header from top, and here it's not about this. We are going to select here the it should be this size, 26 size. Here we can type footer. Control A, select all, make it bold. Footer, footer. We have here as well the footer. Close it. Right now we have header and footer at the first page. How we can customize the header and footer. For customizing header and footer, if you want to header, we have here the edit header. For edit header, you can customize it. For example, you can customize it in header from top. You can take it more space header from top 5, and header from bottom. We can select it header from bottom 6. It is about the footer. Right now only we are going to select the header. It is about header, we customize it. Again, go to insert tab. If you not need this header anymore, you can remove header. Remove header. Right now we have not any header on the top of our page. Again, if you want to insert here header, you can insert one of these selection for your headers, or these three. As well, you can go to edit header. In edit header, you can go to header back. Here you can insert one of these headers. If you insert here, for example, we are going to select one another design, this option, it is showing the first page. And for header, we are going to type, for example, in the home tab, first of all, change the size. Font size should be 38. Right now, let's go to type it. For example, it is header. We have header. In header tab, after that, you can close it. Close header. It is here showing you header. And here we have in the footer and header on the first page. In design, we have here design tab. For this one, it's showing the table style options. Do you want to header or not? Table row or not? All of this is about the first page. Then we have here the borders. Do you want the table styles or not? Or it should be none. If you select here table style, it move your picture into one border. If you select it back, it will open for you table design or layout. So we not need anymore. For that, we are going to use today only header and footer. Double click on here the header place. It will show you here the header and footer specific tab for these two. After that, we have here the options insert for header and footer picture. If you want to insert any picture as well, you can insert picture for your headers. We should wait here a minute. It will show us the header. So if you have any picture, you can insert one picture. For example, if you go to one of your drives, and here I want to insert, for example, it's not about that one picture. We are going to insert, for example, tutorial 8. Right now we have one image on our header, the first header. Then we have one specific tab for picture format. You can do it about the size. For example, move it, small it the size, and like this, a little bigger. Then we have here the options, layout options. Choose these options, then fix position on page. Right now it is accessibility. We have here to move this image. For example, we want this header and this option. When you insert here this header, for example, we have this option, or here you can insert one of this place. As well, we can move it to send backward. Send backward. If you select send to back, send behind text. Right now we have the headers image send behind text. Send behind text, and here is our header title. As well, you can select this. Here you can change this header, the color. For example, if you want this header, the color should be, first of all, we are going to select it, select, then go home tab, and here we are going to select to this color, and then we are going to move it to some effects. For effects should be these effects. If you want our outline, we can choose one outline. And more effects, for more effects, for example, shadow, we are going to select one shadow. It is the shadow. After that, as well, for reflection, we are going to select more reflection. For reflection, this is the reflection. As well, the bold option, and here make it little more size if you need it. So anyway, when you complete this one, right now you can move this text here. Right now it is readable. So if you not need anymore this picture, you can delete, press button in your keyboard, and we have not the header about the image option here, the pictures. So then close here header as well. We have here the close header. Right now we have header and footers in the first page, and it is our header. We change it. It is about customizing. Then we have the options as well. If you want to change the same thing, you can do here for footer. Double click in footer, it will open you the header and footer page. You can customize. For example, you select the text in home tab, bold it, and change the this option if you want. And here we are going to select, for example, effects, these effects, and here the shadow. For example, you can select some shadows for this one, and after that glow, for glow we are going to more, and here this is the glow. Right now you can close it. What you can do, close. Or here we have the previews, our next option. If you have any more headers and footers, you can change as well here. Or if you want to insert here and one new footer in your next page, so we not need again the previews. Here we are, go to the header. If you go to header, it will move you to header, and go to footer, it will move you in the same page to footer. It is the using of this. Here we have the options different first page, and here we have different odd and even page. If you want show document text, so these are two options should be active, we need it. And insert alignment tab if you want, so we not need anymore for this one. For example, if we need to center, it is we have one insert alignment tab for this footer and not for header. Let me to show you the header. So we have the options here, not like this we should go to header. Here we have the options, go to header, it will move you to header as well. Here insert alignment if you want right or left. For this one we not want to center, it should be right, and here we need to two option. That's it. Or if you want to change it to margin indent, select it. So it is a insert alignment, and here we can change some options for this one, margin as well for these two, and here as well for these two center. Right now we not need for this option. You can press in your keyboard delete, it will delete it. Move your cursor here. We have the same here as well, the same style for this one. Close it. Close header and footer. Right now we have the first page here, header and footer. Then we can insert at page numbers, dates, and document titles. You can do as well this in insert tab. We have here for these options, header and footer group. Here we have page number. In page number, you can do another thing. Here we can choose top of page or bottom of page or page margins. It will insert for you our current position, or here from page numbers, format page numbers, sorry, format page numbers. You can select here format page numbers should be like 123 or 123 or ABC. You can change the format page number, and here continue from previous section. So first of all, let's go to insert here one top page number. Here we are going to select the same design, search here as your choice. I like this one. We have here first page header. First page header means here we have the first page header. If you want type here something, you can do it easily. So first of all, go to home tab, and here the size should be 38. You can type it first like this, or FIRST, first page. First page, after that header and footer, close. We change it as well, the first page. If you want to control Z, control Z, it should bring back for you that option, the header and footer. So right now we have this header and footer. Double click here as well. We have here these options for deleted. It is the header. We are going to right now the second way we can insert page number. From here you can select one of these page number and you can insert here easily page number if you need anymore. For example, if you insert this page number, it will delete for you the previous headers. So it means we have first page. If you close it, first page, right now if you go to another page, we have not any more header on there, like it should show as the page numbers. So right now we have only these options. If you want to select Ctrl Z, it will bring you the header, the previous headers. So it is about the page number. You can insert your page number, or if you select here page margins, you can insert in page margins as well for your page numbers. It will show you, or at the bottom, or format. So we are going to select again one page number, for example, uh, this one, this option. So right now we have page 1 of 40. Page 1 of 40 means we have 40 pages here on our document. Then we have here the format page numbers. In format page numbers, we can select here page format numbers. We can change page format number to one ABC or Aromic, like this. We can change it. So anyway, it is okay. Include chapter number. If you want to include chapter number, chapter starts with style. With the style heading, as you know, the previous lesson was the heading. We used heading. What is heading and heading 2? It is the type of titles. And here we have use a separator. You can choose one of these. Page numbering start, it is means continue from previous section, or here is start at. If you insert the start at, for example 5, it will start from 5 page counting. And here we have not anymore about that, like we delete like the previous page about 1 to 5, and here it will count 5 to 450. Like it will show as the first page, it is the fifth page, not the first page. We change it because of this. Here we have 5. And if you go back here in page a number here and format again, if you change it, for example 1, right now we will change the first page number. It should be first page number, not 5. Okay, and here it show you there is no chapter, and we have not any chapter of books. Here it is the page 1 of 50 we have in here in our document. If 40 pages, and it means we are in the first page, and the 40 page we have as well. Here it will show you in header as well. We have here in a status bar. In a status bar here it will show you page 1 of 40, and here we have like it will count your words as well. Then we have here the options. If you close it, close it. Right now we have page 1, and here it will not show you the others page, like it should insert the headers for you. So click all of these. mm, Click all of these. Then we have here again page. If you want the current position, we not need anymore. Then we have here the options about date and time. If you select date and time, available formats, for example 3 23 25, or here we can select one of these format for our date and time. If you select this one, this option, date and time, update automatically, activate, yes. So right now as well, we have here in our headers like the page numbers. It will show you the for you the date and time as well. It is the date and it is the time, and it is the page number it is showing you. That's it. Then we have here document info. In document info, what do you want? So first name, file name, you can insert in your header, for example file name. If you insert here, for example the file name, like document 2, it is document 2, it as well it will insert for your header document 2. Or here we are going to file path. File path as well, it will show you the file path. It is about document 2. So then we go to back. Here we have the document property. You can select one of another company email. If you want, you can insert your email as well. So we not anymore need here about the company name, and not need for company name. That's it. Then go back. Here you can a field. If you select insert field, it will insert you, for example author text, we have more options in field. You can select one of properties. So cancel it if you need. You can insert for your header. We not need anymore. It is but it is magnificent. We should use it more about the document info if you need. Then we have here quick parts. In quick parts you can insert here text, auto text. Auto text means you can insert one auto text, for example admin. It will show you in your headers here what admin auto text. Then it is here we have document property as well. We completely in document info, it is the same with this option. Then we have field as well, is same, we completed in document info. When you click it, it will open you more fields. So it is quick parts and a building blocks organizer. If you need any more, you can insert, for example, works seated. Works seated, here seated, or here you can insert or delete options. For example, if you insert, it will insert the work city. There are no sources in the current document. You can insert some sources for this one. So if you not need anymore here, uh, documents, and here we can click here, for example work city is selected, and delete, press yes. So it should be sure. If it not delete, select this one, these options auto, what we insert from quick parts. As well, when you completely change something, here we have save selection to quick part gallery, you can save it. So right now we not need anymore for this one. You can press in your keyboard delete and it will delete it. So we have not anymore what here, these options about the this. If you close here, we right now we have here completely header and footers. In quick parts here we have again build. If you go back there, uh, you can delete it as well. So you can delete something if you want, if you not need anymore. So might be here we have these options, and here we can change it as well. Filter language, English and Persian, all language, it will show you. We have the filter update, citations and bibliography. If you have any new changes, it will update for you. So we haven't any more things here, and it was about the headers and footers, and the page numbers, how we can customize it as well. So it is the first page as well. If you not need anymore, you can delete it. So if you need, you can type here something else for your header for that option. So close header and footer. So right now we have here our header and footers. So it is here as well. We have the paragraph. If you need any more, you can insert here paragraph spacing. You can use it more and more. So it was about the header and footers, about the page numbers, and we have not in others page the headers and footers. And double click here again, you can insert. For example, if you insert here plug organizer, for example, not this option, we not need. For example, here go to in bibliography, for example, you can insert one of references. So there is no references, we cannot use it anymore. About that, delete it, delete this option, delete. So it should free as that space, we not need anymore. So it is about the header and footers, and close the header and footer right now. We have delete successfully about the insert. It was the bibliography not needed anymore. After that, if you are interested about the header and footers, how we can automatically insert the headers and footers in all the pages in our document, if you are interested more about this, and right now we have 30 pages, and here it is as well. When we have here like 30 pages, or we change some new page, automatically it will change everything for your header as well here. For example, it was the previous was page 1 of 30. Right now we have page 1 of, it was page 1 of 40, sorry guys. Right now we have page 1 of 30. Here's the changing, and it is about the header and footers, what you learn completely, and page numbers. Hopefully this video is great for you and you learn something from this. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tutorials about the MS Word. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.